Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV14 and place it on a flat surface. This will ensure safety while you work. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the two screws securing the battery cover. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may notice some dust accumulation inside the compartment. It's a good idea to use your soft cloth to clean this area, ensuring optimal performance once the new battery is installed. Now, carefully disconnect the old battery by pulling the connector away from the main unit. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can avoid any hassle. With the old battery removed, take your new Dyson SV14 battery and align it with the connector. Push it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely connected. This is a crucial step, as a loose connection can lead to performance issues. Next, replace the battery cover by aligning it with the compartment and pressing down gently. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the battery cover, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it back in and turn it on. If everything is functioning correctly, you should notice improved suction and performance. If you experience any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, take a moment to clean the exterior of your Dyson SV14. A clean vacuum not only looks better, but also performs better. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your appliance significantly. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we also offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. With our service, you can enjoy the convenience of no calls, no travel, and peace of mind knowing your vacuum is in good hands. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.